Alright guys, what's up? So this video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be based off of a CRV as opposed to the EG. So we're going to change these upper control arms, and we are here with my boy,
how you doing?
Outdoors McGee. We are hopefully planning on doing some outdoors things with them. So I guess stay tuned. We'll kind of walk you through. First things first is you want to remove the battery box on the passenger side, so you can get to that bolt. And then you have to remove the air box, so you can get to that bolt. Pull out your Carter key and take this 17 off. Alright, so that video was me helping out one of my buddies, Dwayne, aka the Outdoors McGee. He has a outdoors channel where he does like survival videos and builds like forts in the middle of nowhere. But it's pretty good content, and if you want to check his channel out, I'll leave it linked down below. But I do want to thank each one of the subscribers that he sent over from his channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. And sorry this video was so short. I thought that it would be a little bit more informational, but it was only like 3 bolts on each side, so it went by pretty quick. And I think that's gonna do it. If you like this video, leave a like, comment. I try to either comment back or, you know, like or love each comment that is left. So, and if you're not subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. But smash that subscribe button. See you guys in the next one. Peace.